Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will check out 5 Canva video editing features. Adding transition between pages. Simply click on Add Transition, choose whichever you like, and apply. Besides standard transitions, let's check out other transitions. Under the elements, search for transition. Here under video, click on See All and choose your transition. Adding audio tracks. Go to your uploads, find audio, choose your file, and if you need, you can apply multiple audios for your voiceovers, background music, and sound effects. Letter frames. Click on elements, type in letter frames, choose your letters, and then drag and drop the images. Cool feature, isn't it? Adjustment filters. If you want to adjust a variety of parameters for the overall look of the video, go to Edit Video. Under the adjustment window, you can change things like brightness, saturation, contrast, balance, etc. Overlaying videos. If you want to apply video or image over the other video, drag video or image on top of the main video, right-click, show timing, and here adjust the video. I want to mention that you can place the video over the main video fully or only cover part of it. That's all, thank you for watching and follow for more videos.